Did you know that 95% of the world's ocean are international waters? When it comes to protecting marine biodiversity, the United Nations play an essential role. Just this year, the United Nations adopted a new agreement to conserve and sustainably use marine biodiversity in areas beyond national jurisdiction. My research is interested in the knowledge on which basis UN decisions are taken and how science shaped the negotiations for this new agreement. I did so by exploring first, the scientific output in academic literature, second, the scientific input into, and third, the science used within these negotiations. To understand the scientific output, I conducted a systematic literature review, covering publications on the topic until 2020. To study scientific input into the negotiations, we conducted collaborative event ethnography with the MARIPOLDATA research team to understand how science enters these negotiation spaces. As a last step, I traced one specific scientific concept, the concept of ecological connectivity, into the negotiations to understand how actors used the science in the negotiations. Findings of my PhD uncover inequalities between countries of the global north and the global south, and highlight differences in the perception of relevance of science in these negotiations. My research offers a guide to study science policy interfaces in intergovernmental negotiations for scholars of international relations. Moreover, it provides a guide to adjust UN structures for a more equal, just, and inclusive way of designing UN agreements. My research is part of the MARIPOLDATA project, financed by the European Research Council. Within the research team, we conducted collaborative event ethnography at the negotiations in New York and digitally, contributing to a database of field notes and interviews. This research lays the foundations for further work on intergovernmental negotiations in practice.